Business is an organization that engages in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Businesses are private entities. The business world is a universe that consists of several companies overlooking several businesses. There are 6 types of businesses. The 6 types are sole proprietorship, general partnership, limited liability partnership, limited liability company, and business corporation. Business revolves around financial profit and loss. For a successful business, one has to overtake several risks. Ethics, professionalism, and hard work are also part of a successful business. In today's businesses, change is constant and rapid, so businesses must be constantly and keep themselves updated. Google, Amazon, Apple, and Tesla are few examples of successful businesses of today's business world. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.